said vegetables had to be boring? Welcome back, or welcome to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. I'm here for all things home decor and lifestyle related. You know what to do. Just keep watching and enjoy today's video. So it's January, and as most of us are doing, we're thinking about eating cleaner, eating a little healthier, and some of us are even on a modified Daniel fast. So in today's video, I'm back in the Priceless Pearl Life kitchen, and I'm cooking up vegetables and meal prepping for Mom and me. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. All of today's recipes will be listed in the description box below. But please feel free to modify these recipes with your favorite seasonings and blends. Now, normally I would be slathering this corn on the cob with butter, but because I'm on a modified fast, then I'm using olive oil and my favorite herbs and seasonings. So if you're new here, I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, cleaning vlogs, and shopping hauls. Now, if you really love cooking, then you need to go on over to my cooking and baking playlist. Only after you finish this video. But anyway, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me you're new down below. And make sure to hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. So we're all super excited about this brand new year. And that means, we're making changes, modifications, additions, subtractions to our life, all for the better. And if you don't mind sharing, let's share down in the comment section below. Mine is, well, eat healthier and save more. So here's a tip. Whenever roasting multiple vegetables, make sure to start off with the vegetables that cook at a lower temperature first. That way, you're not waiting for the oven to cool down to cook. That's a tip. You'll thank me later. Thanks so much for stopping by the Priceless Pearl Life for this meal prep edition. That's right, roasted vegetables. Oh, oh, so good. Well, I know I wasn't on camera today. Well, it's early in the morning and you don't want to see none of that. But thanks so much. And remember, if you're new here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And if you hit the notification bell twice, well, guess what? You'll never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.